Well, here's a new Drake TR4. I just got in from eBay today that I took a risk on. It didn't look too good when I bought it, but it's looking better. So I gave it a bath with some Windex and some towels, and I ran live running water over the back of it here to get all the crap out of the finals area. Got a toothbrush, scrubbed it. You can see where some of the dust is still remaining that I didn't get. It was really dusty, so it is looking better. I'm going to go through the bottom of it and see if there's any loose wires. I've learned that when you get an old radio, the first thing you do is look for loose connections and shorts. You just do. I mean, you don't even plug it in. You turn it over and you look for things that are screwed up. And on my TX4B, this capacitor here, this thing had a bent fin, so I would check this thing for bent fins because it'll take 600 volts and put it in 200 volts and blow up your power supply. So you want to check that. You want to check for shorts in your final area before you power this thing up. That is for darn sure. Anyway, this one is this might be a keeper for me because it looks pretty nice. It's, I think, a little better than the other one I have, but the other one runs pretty good. These have S-meter issues too, so you gotta have a good 60Q5 in these things. All right, well, that's about it. I'm gonna try and get this one going, and then I gotta jump back onto the TX4B and fix the drive on that, fix the tune, and see how this one turns out. And I think that's gonna be it. I want to get a TR7 and work on that next, but I don't think it's gonna happen for a while. I gotta wait for a good one. It's like baseball. You gotta wait for a good pitch, right? All right, well, thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm kind of been going Drake crazy here. I'm not sure why. Well, that's pretty good. I think the guy took care of this one. Somebody really took care of it, which the guy probably died, but who knows? Silent key. All right. How's the front look? Yeah, it looks pretty good. The knobs need to be cleaned off. I'll take all the knobs off next, get them all cleaned up. Clean off the face of it. And that's about it. It'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.